Yo, bro, what the fuck was that? I mean... Oh, I'm sorry. I was just putting on my makeup. Well, you shouldn't have... You just be... Well, you shouldn't have done that somewhere else, not while you're driving. You're starting to make me angry. Hi. You know what? How about we fight? Ah! Ah! Since this crazy old bitch wants to crash into me, I'm gonna do this. You know what? I'm gonna come back. Oh! Haha! Success! I blew up that mean old lady's car. I gotta run away. To celebrate for me, I'm gonna go. I just gotta move my car first. Alright, my car's ready. Alright. I'm gonna go speeding. Yeah, this is fun, man. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, watch where you're going. Yeah. Be a street racer. And I don't care if it's illegal.